Hi, this is Daniel and Desi from Visa Rueda, and we had Conan and Desi demonstrating it a moment ago. So let's break this down. This is setenta complicado. Gentlemen, you start with a wapea. Men's left, ladies right. Basic. 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, 7. Setenta complicado. 5, 6, 7. We take the other hand, we keep it, and we prep her out on 7. Now we're going to bring her across on 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Walk around. 5, 6, 7. Men, we're going to go underneath. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to the other side. So I'm on my right side to Desi's left side. And then on 5, 6, 7, we turn this over. 5, 6, 7. Then we bring the lady under both hands. 1, 2, 3. And this is just like the end of a sombrero. We take the men's right, ladies left onto his deltoid, and hook turn. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do a hand change, right to right here for a crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Back to a hand change, back to wapea. 5, 6, 7. So let's walk through that a little bit faster. Starting with wapea. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Setenta complicado. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 5, 6, 7. Under. 1, 2, 3. Hook. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead on the 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. No, setenta complicado.